Even the nurses, they think they are greater than the doctors. And the staff who is working over there, they think much greater than the nurses. My husband then died 2009 because I think it was a negligence of the doctors. If I would have taken that facility today, I would have not been here to talk to you all. I will have been in the grave because GMC is treating really bad for the patients. You all do your duty, and then you all can judge the people. No, in this GMC, no, without godfathers, no work is done. Poor people are treated like shit over there. I'm Maria Kamara. I was working for food and drugs. I'm a retired person. Whatever has happened these days in GMC, I don't think it is something bad Mr. Viswajit Rani has done. Yes, maybe his talking ways are a little bit different. But whatever action he has taken, he is right. Because like us, like a middle class people, really are suffering when we go to GMC. I'll tell you some incidents, what happened to me. In 2009, my husband was very sick. And he was a patient of Dr. Edwin. And Dr. Edwin was treating him. He's a very nice doctor. And one day it so happened that he was a little worse and we have to admit him in the GMC. And when we were admitted in GMC, one night, I think Dr. Edwin has to attend some meeting. And that night he was not present over there. Another doctor, Dr. Mahesh Amonkar, who is a surgeon, he came for a round. And he came to us and he asked one nurse, whose patient is this? And the nurse said, that is Dr. Edwin's patient. As she said, is it Dr. Edwin patient? He said, no, I'm not going to look after this patient because it is Dr. Edwin's patient. I am saying, if it is a Dr. Edwin patient, when Dr. Edwin is not available, it was that doctor who is in duty to take action at that moment and to look after the patient. If any enmity there is between the doctors, that they have to sort out, not on the patient. So whatever Mr. Viswajit Rani has done, I don't think it is something bad. We suffer so much when we go to GMC. There are only people, who are who comes with the godfathers, and then only it is entertained there. Even the nurses, they think they are greater than the doctors. And the staff who is working over there, they think much greater than the nurses. And like that, they treat some patient very badly. And in 2000, my husband then died, 2009. Because I think it was a negligence of the doctors. Whatever it is. I lost my husband, my children lost a father, and at least 5 generations of us lost one person of the house. But it is very difficult for us. It was very difficult for me also to bring up for my children because my children were not, so big. They were not working that time. Other thing is that in 2018, when I was working as a government employee, 2018 I was detected as a breast cancer. And then I didn't go to GMC because I had this experience and I was very scared to go to GMC. I went to the private doctor. It was in Altin, Dr. Jan, a very nice doctor. He has treated me, he has done operation, he did everything and it was smoothly going. But when I went to reimburse money, one of the doctors said me, no, we cannot give this for you because you have operated private. We have all facilities here. If I would have taken that facility today, I would have not been here to talk to you all. I would have been in the grave. I would have not been alive. Because GMC is treating really bad for the patient. And the other 2 years back, my son met with an accident. They are young boys, they make parties, they drink. I don't say they have not. He met with an accident and it was very bad. That this boy of mine was kept nearly 3 hours sitting on the wheelchair. Not even one doctor was attending him. The moment I went there, I came to know after 3 hours. I went there, I saw my son full of blood, full of everything. I asked doctor, I said, doctor, what is going on here? Why you have kept my son like that? They are saying, no, he is under alcohol influence. What is there is under alcohol influence? Are you all do your duty, and then you all can this thing judge the people. No, I'm not saying he's not drunk. Yes, he is drunk, but your duty was to look after this patient, to give him the treatment, to give him the first aid. Don't wait till the patient's relatives come there, and something will have happened to my son. What will I have done? This is what I want to say. I think Mr. Vishwajit Rani has not done anything wrong. Yes, the way of talking of his was a little different. And he has to take action on these people. Because, in this GMC, without godfathers, no work is done. This is what I can tell you all, because poor people are treated like shit over there. They don't even look at the people. The person are dying there. Sister are doing something, the servants are doing something. They are not bothered about the patient. For them, the patient is just like a dog who dies on the road. So I appeal to Mr. Viswajit Rane to be really strict like this only, so that the doctors, the nurses and the staff will learn the lesson. I want to add one thing also. When I was detected as a breast cancer, that year Mr. Manohar Parekar also was sick. We just went to a private in Goa, but Mr. Manohar Parekar was taken to US, to UK, everywhere, and his expenses were bear by the government. Why it is so? For the VIP, treatment is different, and for the layperson, treatment is different. This is what I want to ask Mr. Viswajit Rane. And my reimbursement is not yet done. It went to the secretary, 3 lakhs or something, and it came back. Still, the file is lying with me. I can show the proof if Mr. Viswajit Rane want to see it. Thank you.